Okay, I feel like I've been here before. That's because I made this video already once and I forgot to turn on the microphone. So that's kind of ridiculous, isn't it? That's my joke for you today, is it was a joke on me. My microphone wasn't on. Now my cords are getting stuck in my chair. Anyway, so we're gonna take a look at this, and so this one line includes points 6, 5, and 3, 4. What is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form? So let's see. I have 6, 5, 3, 4, and so first thing I need to do first is find the slope. Okay, so remember, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 will give me the slope, right? And if I need to assign one of these as 2 and one of these as 1, okay? And when I do that, then I can pop those in. So we're going with 5 minus 4 over 6 minus 3. And I get 1 over 3. So my slope is 1/3. 1 over 3, right? Then I'm going to use one of two methods. The first method involves using y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And this is called the point slope formula. Point slope formula. Okay. I'll put U there. All right. And basically, I have a point, right? I have the slope and I have a point. That's all you need for this. So my slope is 1/3. And then I just pick one of the two pairs. So I'm just going to pick 3, 4. So y minus 4 equals 1/3 times 3, x minus 3. Okay. So what do I get when I need to distribute this 1/3 to the -3? So I'm going to get y minus 4 equals 1/3 x minus, well, 1/3 times 3 is -3 over 3, right? It's a negative, so minus 1. And then I just need to add 4, right, to both sides, and I get y equals 1/3 x plus 3. All right, so we got that one. Now, suppose you wanted to do it a different way. You could. There is another way. Some might think it's easier, some might think it's harder. And that way is just to say, okay, I know y equals mx plus b is what I'm looking for. I have m, 1/3. I have an x and a y, right? They gave me the 2 points up there, 2 points, 2 sets of points. I only need to use one. So if I'm only going to use one, I have 1/3, and then I'm going to use 3, 4 again. So times 3 plus b, okay, equals 4. So 1/3 times 3 is 1, right? Equals 4 plus b. So subtract 1, and I get 3 equals b. Okay, so now I have y equals 1/3 x plus 3. And if you notice, right, they're the same. So you can do it either way. There's really these two methods. I kind of like the second one myself, but you know, I just feel like it's a little quicker, maybe. At least there's one less step. All right, so we got that one. Let's take a look at another, and this next one would be, all right. Let's say I'm going to use 16, 0. All right, so my 2 points are 16, 0 and 18, 1. Okay, 16, 0 and 18, 1. And so I'm just going to go through these same things. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. I'm going to say this is 1, this is 2. So 1 minus 0 over 18 minus 16, and that equals 1/2, right? 1/2. And so, so I've got my slope now, and I'm going to go ahead and use y equals mx plus b, and I'm going to say then I'm going to use 16, 0 for this. 0 equals 1/2 times 16 plus b. Okay. 1/2 of 16 is 8 plus b equals 0, right? b equals -8. So this is going to be y equals 1/2 x minus 8. All right. So I've got my slope intercept form right there. Now, I'm not going to leave the other one out. I'm going to do it the other way as well for those people who want to see it that way. All right. And so remember, that's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay. And so now I need to pick one of those points to use. I'm going to use 16, 0 again. Y minus 0 equals 1/2, because I already have the slope now, times 1/2 times x minus 16. And then distribute the 1/2. I get 1/2 x minus 8 equals y minus 0. Anything 0 subtracted from anything is still that number. So I'm just going to say y equals 1/2 x minus 18, which is exactly what we got on the first one. So, so a couple of methods for finding the slope intercept form when you're given 2 points.